everyone, welcome back to the kitchen, and today we're starting off summer the right way. Today we're gonna make these delicious grilled Greek style marinated chicken breasts. I can't wait to show you how these all come together. We're gonna make a marinade. It's a Greek style marinade, and that just means that we have been influenced by the flavor profile of Greek food, or the food that comes from the island of Greece. So these are going to be very strong, delicious Mediterranean flavors, and I'm going to be marinating several chicken breasts that Rick is going to grill, and we're going to use this as a basis for a week's worth of meals, all a little bit different, but all using this Greek style marinated chicken, and it's going to be an awesome way to plan your menu throughout the summer, and everyone's really gonna love it. So what we're gonna start off with is a half of a sweet onion that I have chopped, so that's about a cup, a half a cup of lemon juice, a half a cup of white wine vinegar, a half a cup of olive oil. This is a light olive oil because I have a bottle hanging around that I need to use up. Otherwise, use extra virgin, or if you don't have that, just use whatever vegetable oil you have on hand. Also a half a cup of water because we just want everything to blend together nicely. We're going to use 2 to 4 cloves of minced garlic, about a quarter of a cup of fresh dill, quarter of a cup of fresh chopped chives. I have about a tablespoon of agave nectar. If you don't have agave nectar, you can use brown sugar, maple syrup, or honey. A teaspoon each of salt and cracked black pepper, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and a tablespoon of dried oregano. If you have fresh oregano growing in your garden, go ahead and use it. Use about 2 tablespoons if you're going the fresh route. So this couldn't be any easier. We're gonna pop all of this in the Ninja blender. So there goes our lemon juice, our chives, our dill, our garlic, oregano, salt and pepper, agave nectar, Dijon mustard. We'll put the rest of our liquids. In goes our white wine vinegar, our olive oil, and our water. And we're gonna blend. Okay, we're done blending, and I got my chicken all ready. I have about 3 pounds of chicken breasts that are boneless, skinless, and I just have them in a Ziploc bag. I have filleted them so they are like butterflied in half lengthwise. And I'm gonna give this marinade just a little bit of a taste. Oh, that's good. And I'm just gonna pour all of it on my chicken. This is the perfect amount for that. Now remember, once you use this, you won't be able to use it for anything else. You'll just have to discard it after you get your chicken marinated. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop it in here. It's fully covered. You can see we have good coverage on the chicken. And I'm just gonna let this hang out in the fridge for the rest of the day. And Rick is going to go ahead and grill this, and we will be back and we'll show you what these look like. Our chicken's been marinating for about 4 hours or so. I don't know that I would do this overnight because there's a lot of acid in that marinade, and you don't want it to start to cook the meat. So just, you know, do it in the afternoon, and then you'll have it ready when your grill is ready. Even if you only marinate this for an hour, it's gonna be delicious. And we're just gonna throw these on the grill, and then when they're ready to bring inside, I'll come back and I'll show you what they look like. There you have it, our grilled and marinated Greek style chicken breasts all ready to go. This is just a few of them. We did a full tray. I know you're gonna love this. It's gonna make cooking quick and easy for all of your summer menu plans, because when you have chicken like this ready to go in the fridge, the possibilities are endless. And with summer and the warmer months coming up, it's always great to have options that are cool weather. They require little to no cooking. You just throw together a really beautiful cool meal and everyone is happy. That's how you make these. If you liked today's video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. If you're new to my kitchen and you wandered on over to see what was happening, welcome. Always a pleasure to have new friends join me. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. And as always, if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you will get a push notification on your smart device or a message in your email box every time we upload a new video, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give these Greek style marinated and grilled chicken breasts to try sometime soon, and I hope you love them. And until next time, I'll see ya.